Well, of course, it's not easy for him to concede that type of goal, but it happens to anybody. Yeah, we can't blame him. At the same time, he's a very young goalkeeper. He has a bright future. He has to keep this away and take it as a very good learning process.
Kesalahan Haziq tu itu normal. Bola pun licin. Memang kita tak boleh buat apa. Kita tak boleh salahkan dia. Kita main satu pasukan. Kalau disalahkan seorang lah. Kecewa lah. Kita kalah. Kita fikir kita nak menang champion. Kita dapat. Memang kecewa lah.
He tell the player to concentrate more in the game, both defense and offense, because of the few and many things. And he think we are luckily because Malaysia also have many chances, but they just can get the score.
Of course, if you ask me whether I'm happy, of course I'm not happy because we don't win the gold medal. But overall, the boys, like I said, give everything, and that is very important. Well, you know that Ultras always play a part in every single game that we play during our campaign in Southeast Asia Games. But I don't know what's wrong, and it's like the boys has been punished. But at the end, of course, we have other supporters, fans that is here to support us. So I hope that whatever it is, let's think about the future of our football. Let's think how to support these young players, because these young players need them, not only the Ultras, the fans throughout Malaysia to support, because I can see that there's a great future for us in years to come.